Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the show tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix unable to install app. Please try again later on iPhone. So let's get started the video without any delay. Solution 1. Turn on the toggle for automatic download. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, scroll all the way down and tap on App Store. Here, turn on the toggles for app downloads. Now scroll down and turn on the toggle for automatic downloads. Solution 2. Check your phone storage. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. In General settings, tap on iPhone storage. Check iPhone storage is available or not. If not, then free up some space. Solution 3. Location services. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Here, tap on location services. Here, turn on the toggle for location services. Solution 4. Contact and privacy restrictions. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, scroll down and tap on screen time. Here, scroll all the way down and tap on contact and privacy restrictions. Then tap on the first option, iTunes and App Store purchases. Here, select the always require option. That's all for today's video. Like our video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.